Welcome to our journey into the world of computer networks. Today, we'll focus on understanding what a computer network is and explore the various types of networks that exist. In this session, we will cover the definition of a computer network and the different types that are commonly used. This knowledge is essential for grasping how devices connect and communicate with each other. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of the following outcomes. Those are: understanding the definition of a computer network, identifying different types of computer networks, LAN, WAN, PAN, MAN, recognizing the purposes and uses of each network type. Understanding these basics is essential for anyone looking to work in technology or simply wanting to better comprehend how our digital world functions. Let's move on to the next slide. What is a computer network? A computer network is a collection of interconnected devices that communicate with each other to share resources and information. For example, think of a computer network as a group of friends connected by strings, sharing messages and passing them along. These strings are the communication channels, like cables or wireless signals, that allow devices to exchange data efficiently. Let's move on to the next slide. Types of computer networks, those are LAN, Local Area Network, WAN, Wide Area Network, PAN, Personal Area Network, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Commonly, LANs, or local area networks, are confined to a small area like a home or office. WANs, or wide area networks, cover larger areas, such as cities or countries. PANs, or personal area networks, connect devices around a single person, like Bluetooth connections. MANs, or Metropolitan Area Networks, span a city or a large campus. Let's move on to the next slide. We will understand each type with an example. Firstly, we have Local Area Network, LAN. Local Area Networks, or LANs, are confined to a small area like a home or office. They are used to connect computers and other devices within a limited area to share resources and information. So let me illustrate the diagram. A computer network connects computers to share resources and information. In the diagram, devices are linked to a central router, which directs network traffic. Computers and printers connect to the router with LAN cables for a local area network. Wireless networks use radio waves for connectivity. A switch, like the one shown, connects devices within smaller areas, such as homes or offices. Let's move on to the next slide. Secondly, we have Wide Area Network, WAN. WANs connect computers over large geographic distances, spanning cities, states, countries, or even globally. They are commonly used by businesses to link offices and by universities to connect campuses. Let me illustrate the different parts of the WAN that is shown in the image. Servers store data and programs for the network, located in various places within the Wide Area Network, WAN. LANs connect computers and devices in specific locations like offices or schools, as shown in the WAN image with two LANs connected to servers. Workstations are individual computers used to access the network. WANs connect LANs using technologies such as fiber optic cables or satellites over long distances. For example, think of a WAN like a highway system for information. LANs are like the smaller roads in a city, and the WAN is like the highway that connects those cities together. This allows users on the network to access information and resources from anywhere in the WAN, not just their local LAN. Let's move on to the next slide. Personal Area Network, PAN. A PAN is a small network that connects devices close to a person. Imagine it like a little bubble around you that connects your devices together. Example: the image shown. Typical devices you might find in a PAN include laptop, smartphone, tablet, gaming console, printer. In the image, the laptop serves as the main device with other devices connected to it. Devices in a personal area network, PAN, can connect in two ways. Wireless. Most commonly, devices use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Bluetooth connects a small number of devices over short distances, while Wi-Fi can connect more devices over longer distances. Cable. Occasionally, devices connect with a cable, like a USB cable, although this is less common than wireless connections today. Let's move on to the last slide. That is, Metropolitan Area Network, MAN, will directly go with the diagram so that you will get an idea. So, imagine a bunch of computers spread across a city like schools, libraries, and businesses. Here's a quick info. LANs, local area networks. These are the smaller groups of devices, like the computers in a school. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. This is the big network that connects all the LANs together, like a highway connecting different cities. Think of it like a library system. Each branch library, LAN, has its own books, information, but they are all connected by a bigger system, MAN, so you can borrow books, information, from any branch. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this.